Hey guys, Sean here in the forest in northern Wisconsin. Check out this little snail guy I found here. Let him crawl around on my hand. Just sliding right along. He's got a real pretty looking shell. Check out the antennas on him. Man, is that thing cool. Take care guys, have a great day out there. See you on the next video. I'll let you guys watch him crawl around on my hand for a little bit here. It's actually pretty long when he comes out of that shell. Look at that little guy. Sticks to my hand like glue.